guys, welcome to my channel guys. This is Erica Love Simple Cooking TV, and so guys, welcome to my kitchen guys. Today I pray that you all are doing well. To all my subscribers, thank you for subscribing to my channel, thank you for liking my videos, and I thank you for the comment. My new subscribers, continue. If you come across this video, please subscribe guys and help me grow guys, you know. And so guys, what I'm cooking today, I'm gonna make a pinto bean soup guys. There on my channel there's a video how I make pinto bean soup with pumpkin and the whole procedure what I do to make that soup. So today guys, I love to make soup guys. I love to make soup, especially in the cold season. When a cold season, hot season, I love to make soup. So today guys, I'm gonna make some soup. So I'm gonna use some Idaho potato, some carrots, some white yam. Yes guys, this is a big piece of yam. I'm not gonna use all of it, I'm just gonna use half of it, and a few potatoes. I'm not putting a lot of carb, and I'm gonna put some dumplings, some cornmeal dumplings, spinners guys, not dumpling but spinners. I show you guys how I make my spinners, or you check out my channel, you see my video how I make spinners, but I'm gonna show you how I make my spinners today. And so guys, thank you so much for watching my videos guys. Continue to watch, continue to comment and subscribe, and continue to subscribe. I appreciate you for that. So guys, let's get into this cooking. As I say, welcome to my kitchen. Let's get into the cooking guys. The peas is already boiling, so let's see what's going on. Yam is slimy, so you have to be careful. If you never cook yam before, it's slimy, and if it will scratch you if you catch your skin. So the first thing I'm gonna go do guys is cut up the ones that I'm gonna put in my freezer. So this is gonna go in my freezer. So every time I feel like cooking some yam, I just go in my freezer, go take it out. So I don't have to run to the supermarket guys. So I'm gonna use one piece and the rest gonna go in the freezer. So guys, you know I love to preserve. So now I'm gonna put it in a plastic bag. And then when you put it in a plastic bag, you keep it in the freezer. You can stay in the freezer as long as you want it to. So guys, I'm gonna go put this in the freezer and be back because I don't want it to turn red guys. So there you go guys, this is another way you can, you know, you can store your stuff, preserve stuff. So guys, Let me just put, because my hand, I don't want to wash my hands. Let me just do this one time. So see guys, I'm gonna cube this. If you don't want all this big chunk of yam in your soup, you just cube it up. Just cut them small, so the more they cook, they're gonna boil out. And there you go guys. It's slimy guys, slimy. Whoa, it's very slimy. Slimy. And so now I'm gonna cut my potato. I don't need to put the potato on the board. I just cut everything. I have a handful of string bean guys that I got from my garden. Every time I go to my garden to get beans, I only get a handful. But I thank God for it still. So I'm gonna cut up these. Everything I'm cubing guys. So you just cube it. So guys, when you put this in the pot, it's gonna boil out. Guys, if you are still there, please comment, subscribe and share, and tell a friend to subscribe guys. Help me grow guys. Right now, right here, scratching me from the plant, the yam guys. Not bad, it's just barely tingling. So all of this guys, I'm gonna just pour. Once the peas is cooked, I'm just gonna put this, dump out everything. When the peas is halfway cooked, once the peas is halfway cooked, I'm gonna just dump out everything in the pot. Yes guys. Guys, please watch my videos. Most of my videos, some of my videos are silent. Well, not really silent, I'm not talking, but you hear music playing and you could see what I'm doing. Please subscribe to those videos. Please watch those videos to the end. So guys, I don't want to make my videos too long because this video I won't be able to speed it up because I'm talking in the background. So guess what guys, when I'm finished cutting up the carrot, I'll be back. it with some braised cat soup. So guys, I'm not gonna put no extra salt. It's like low sodium. So I'm just using the pumpkin flavor mix. Grace. Just saying what I use, guys, and I'm gonna use some. This is Dash salt-free powder seasoning, guys. That's a lot. So, guys, I don't really use butter in my soup. A lot of people use butter. You can use butter if you want. That's some parsley, thyme, and scallion, guys. So guys, I don't know if I'm gonna put coconut milk. I usually put coconut milk, but not all the time. So maybe if I'm not using the coconut milk, I could put a little bit of butter. Little bit of butter, guys. A little bit of butter. So I can find the butter, guys. Oh yeah, I find the butter. Guys, I leave my freezer. I don't know who leave the fridge open in my house, and everything in my fridge frozen. So guys, even the butter. So guys, that's it. I'm just putting a little piece of butter. Now I'm gonna stir it and see what it tastes like. If I need some more seasoning, I have another powder seasoning. I might put a little bit. Yes, guys, it do need something. You need a little bit more seasoning, guys. Hold on. So guys, I'm gonna put another pumpkin flavor mix. So that's 3 packs, guys. So that's it. These powder seasoning already have black pepper. I'm not putting no black pepper. I don't really cook with black pepper. Most of the time I cook, I don't use black pepper, even though I have black pepper. Some people cook with black pepper. If you want, you could put black pepper, guys. So there you go, guys, it's all seasoned up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cover this and let it cook down. Yes, guys, now it tastes good. So I'm just gonna cover it, guys, and leave it, let it cook down, so all the season can take into the soup, guys. Alright, guys, so I'll be back. Okay, guys, let's check the pot. Yes, guys, it's coming down, guys. I want it to boil to the point where all the potato and the yam is boiled out. The peas not come. That's it, guys. So I'm trying to get the yam them to boil out. So I only have the carrots and the dumpling. The yam is still here. So I'm just gonna turn the stove down low and let this finish cook down. See, guys, the yam is not crushing out. I want the yam to boil out somewhat, guys, to cut out some of the starch. But guys, it smells so good inside here, guys. If you could smell it through the phone, guys, take a deep breath, guys. You will smell what I'm talking about. Guys, it tastes so good. So now, guys, you see, the kids can just pour this in their glass, in their cup, and drink it just so. You don't have to use a bowl if they don't want to. Alright, guys, I'll be back, guys. So guys, the next time you see me, this is finished. So I'm just gonna turn the stove down and let it stay there and finish cook down. So the next time you see me, guys, this is finished. Okay, guys, this is the last time. Let's check. Oh, guys, this is nice, guys. Turn off the stove. Guys, this is piping hot and boiling hot. Alright, guys, let me bring up the camera so you could see. Alright, guys, even though it's too hot for me to eat, I'm gonna pour some. So guys, I like it like this because then the kids can just pour it into a cup. They can just pour it in the cup. Guys, this is very hot, so I don't want it to touch my hand. So I'm gonna put some dumpling. So guys, I'm just gonna put this down, let it cool down. Wow, guys. So there you go. nice, guys. That's what it looked like, guys. Nice. Not too thick, guys. Yes, I make it this way thin so the kids can just pour it in their cups and just drink it like this. Guys, if you're still watching, please comment, subscribe and share. Thank you so much for watching and have a blessed one. And remember that Jesus loves you. And I do too.